Hi guys, this is Mannat Bhatia from Mannat Bhatia Designs. I'm an interior designer by profession and welcome to my styling series where we discuss about various topics of decorating and styling your spaces by yourself. So today's topic is going to be bedside table styling and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started with it. The most important principle that you want to start out with is embrace varying heights. Proportions are everything when it comes to creating a bedside assemble. Using objects of the same size can create a flat look, whereas accents of varying heights add a dynamic dimension. So I like to work in groups of 3. Start with your tallest piece and finish with your shortest. Tall designs are great for rousing high impact and drama, while smaller accents introduce balance and a sense of calm. Remember that a bedside table is often the last thing you set your eyes on at night, and arranging pieces of changing shapes and sizes add a dose of feng shui, helping to create a harmonious sleep environment. So the style ideas that I can tell you all is go for tall vases and tall lamps for heights and medium sized candles and photo frames for mid-level beauty. Decorative bowls and trays make flattering low profile additions. Think to keep it practical. Remember to consider the balance between functionality, convenience and aesthetics, no matter if it's a master bedroom or a guest bedroom. I agree it's nice to make your bedside table look gorgeous, but always leave some empty space for practical use, such as somewhere to place a cup of coffee. And even if you have too many functional pieces for the bedside, make sure you use a tray to arrange them in it. This will organize your bedside and also keep it clutter-free. Always consider texture. Incorporating texture into bedside table styling creates a captivating display instantly. Before deciding on which textures to use, consider the surface you're dealing with. Naturally, different styles of bedside tables, whether they are made up of rich wood, mirrored glass or metals, call to be dressed with different textures. Smooth accents, like think of ceramic vases and table lamps, look incredible against high shine veneers. Tactile accents, from hammered metal pieces to coral sculptures, complement tables with a highly visible grain or draw to the right attention when contrasted against a sleek glass surface. Similarly, the way different heights add interest, a mix of textures promise effective visual impact. Lighting up is important. A beautiful lamp will do the work here. It's a simple way to add a bit of design flair to your bedside table. If the table is small, you want to mount the lamp on the wall or hang it right above the table. It's a beautiful functional piece and adds decor to the entire space. This is a game changer tip. Layer upon layer. Forget about not experimenting and being afraid of overlapping items. Just do it. For example, position the lamp to partly cover an artwork or place smaller item in front of a large one that will provide character to your arrangement.